Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Logitech G HUB profiles for Windows 11 easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download Logitech G HUB profiles for Windows 11, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Logitech G HUB official website. Locate the download section. Select the version compatible with Windows 11. Click on the download button to start the installation. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to launch the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to install Logitech G HUB. After installation, open Logitech G HUB. If prompted, log into your Logitech account or create a new one. Once logged in, click on the G HUB tab. Explore the community profiles shared by other users. Select a profile that suits your needs. Click on the profile to view its details. Download the profile by clicking the download button. The profile will now be available in your Logitech G HUB library. To apply the profile, select it from your library. Connect your Logitech device to your computer. Click Apply to use the downloaded profile with your device. You can now customize the settings further if needed. Enjoy using your Logitech device with the new profile settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.